At times I send out a Google Doc. This also works for Google Slides because they have a share button. And I have my initial um, one, and um, I don't want them to, like, I want to use this for next year. So, like, I have this doc that I made, and so, um, I'll just make myself a copy. I can go to File, make a copy, and I could say this is for grain investigation um, in class. And so now I made a copy for myself, and it won't edit my initial, so that I don't have to like redo it. So now I'm on my this new one. I made a copy of it, and I can share it with my students if I click this share button in the top right. And I want a shareable link, and I want them to be able to edit. So anyone with Westside Community Schools with the link can edit. And when I copy this link and when I send it to students, they are all at the same time able to edit it. Now, is that chaotic, or what's the benefit of that? Well, you'd have to go over the expectations with the students, but I can ask, hey, Audrey, can you please fill in this information, and AJ, fill in this information, and blank, fill in this information. And so instead of me saying like, hey, what'd you get for this? Hey, what'd you get for this? What'd you get for this? What'd you get for this? And filling it in front. Instead, the process that would have taken me a long time and the students would have been bored, they can fill it in themselves, and it can be done in 30 seconds. Especially for big tables like this. What if one group did collected information for wheat, and one group collected for oats, and one collected information for corn, and one collected information for barley? Well, then they can all fill it in the same time, and we can all use this as a resource that maybe we make bar graphs from, or we're going to analyze the data now. But now they don't all have to handwrite it. I'm not wasting my time with the students just writing down numbers, but we can spend our time analyzing the information rather than just writing it down. So that's how I use the share button over here and make an editable link so all students can have access.